welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to review a new moisturizing product that I've been using for a couple weeks. As I said a while back, that I'm trying to focus more on better skincare for my skin now that I'm getting older. In my 20s I didn't really have to worry about my skincare. I just want to make sure that I was protecting it against like harmful sun rays, so I'll use like SPF like 50 or whatever high number there is, and that's the only thing I was concerned about. But as far as like wrinkles and like aging and dry spots, I didn't have to worry about it in my 20s and not even in my early 30s either. But I'm almost 40, so I have to start thinking about that. Okay, so the name of the company that I'm using is Farmstead Apothecary. I'm so bad with like names. Anyway, it's strawberry gardenia face cream, anti-aging with jojoba oil. So this is an all-natural product with all-natural plant-based product, and it doesn't have any harmful chemicals or parabens or even fragrances. It has natural fragrances, so it has the strawberry fragrance in there, and it smells so good. When you open it, it's like this wonderful cream color, like white cream color, and this will last me a while. Like I've had this for maybe 2 or 3 weeks, and this is how much I've used. So, and the price point of this is $20. I think it's $20. Yes, $19.99. So definitely get my money's worth. So when you read on the back, so it says, say goodbye to dry skin. Our face cream is perfect for all skin types, including sensitive skin, which I have sensitive skin, which is why I only use plant-based or vegan or all-natural products on my face. Jojoba oil is the key anti-aging ingredient in our expertly formulated cream, which keeps your skin hydrated and balanced all day. So it's 100% natural, vegan, cruelty-free, real fruit fragrance, and organic. So far I love this product. So I'm just going to take you through the steps of me like washing my face and moisturizing. In the morning time, I usually use Burt's Bees peach scrub to it's like a scrub, so I scrub my face in the morning, and then at night I use the Burt's Bees glowing gel cleanser, which is this one. So yeah, let's get started. So the first thing I did was wash my hands, because you don't want to clean your face on dirty hands because you're just rubbing more dirt on your face. Next I'm going to put water on my face and pour a little bit of the cream on and just moisturize. Now this gel is not a foaming gel, so you're going to see a little bit of suds, but it's just very, very subtle. So keep watching. And you don't need to use that much of this. See, it's like really clear gel. You always clean your lips too. You try to give like a good massage to your pores. Sometimes at night, when I try to do this every night, but I just be so tired. But when I brush my teeth, it wakes me up, so I can do it then. But like the other night, I was just like just dead tired. There was no way I was going to do that. And that was the first time I didn't wash my face at night before bed in like weeks. And I just felt so off. Then you get a towel and you just pat dry. Now because my face is clean, I use a face towel, the same face towel, for a couple of days or like for the week. And I don't use this towel for anything else. So I don't use the towel that I dry off with. I don't know, maybe it's just in my brain, but I just like to use the same one. And I fold it and let it dry, and then I use it again tomorrow. Okay, so now what I do now is I just grab some and I just do my spots. because you don't need a lot. And this coating is both like, the cream is like both thick enough to saturate your skin. So I feel like there's a layer of cream on my face, but it's not too bad of a layer that it doesn't feel like my skin can't breathe. Like, it doesn't feel like my pores are going to get clogged up because there's too much on there. No, it just feels like a nice protective layer on there. So my skin definitely feels like it's fully moisturized, and it lasts all day. So a good test for this is like doing it in the winter, because typically throughout the day when I use a moisturizer, I will have dry spots towards the late afternoon or at night, and then I will need to re-moisturize. But that was before I started washing my face at night, and I was too tired to do that. But with this one, it literally lasts all day. I don't see any dry spots at all. So yeah, I would definitely be using this again, which is, you know, I really need to get this right. You know, I'm just gonna put it up there so you can see it, and I'll put it the link to the products, to the website in the description, so you can go to their website and check out their products and ignore my mispronunciation. So now, see my face? Looks all clean and clear. And I am ready for bed, ready for the night. So thank you guys so much for watching my video and watching me review this product. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and push the notification button. That way you know the next time I upload a video, which is every Tuesday. Until next time, bye.